Good day, everyone. These are the continuation of the second recitation of Flowers Genetics and Improvement Glossary. Number 11 is Bach's cross breeding, a system of breeding whereby recurrent baccalaureaces are made to one of the parent of live breed. Number 12 is binary fission, a type of reproduction wherein a single cold organism divides. Number 13 is biogenesis, the doctrine that living they originated. Number 14 is bisexual plants. A plant is having both roots and female sexual reproduction. Number 15 is breeding arboretum. Refers to all selected trees. And number 16 is character. Character is an attribute of an organism. Number 17 is character displacement. The process of the process of genetic divergence. Number 18 is chromatid. Pertains to one of two identical longevity halves. Number 19 is chromation, a nuclear material comprising the chromosomes. Number 20 is Klein. Klein is a gradual and more or less continuous change in phenotyped character.